So if you are the one you are looking for quick action and you don't have patience for you to monitor your skin to see if the any cream is, doing well or bad in your skin, my sister, you need to repent. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel once again and again and again. Guys, yes, this is time for me to do this video because I've already promised you guys, like when I was doing unboxing about this cream, I told you guys that I want to try it because it was my first time. I told you guys that I will try it, and after like some months I'm going to come back and tell you guys like my experience about this cream. And to be honest, I've been gotten a lot of questions on Instagram. People wanted to buy it. People want to buy it. They want to, know my experience. They want to know my take on this cream, if they should go ahead and buy it or not. And I said, okay, it's better that I come out, and do it. I wanted to, wait like 3 months before I should do this video, but nevertheless this is 2 months plus, which I believe that is the right time for me to do the video. From 2 months to 3 months, that is when you're supposed to know whether any cream is working on your body, if you're having any reaction, if you're having any bad experience, if you're having any good experience. 2 months is enough time for you to know whether if any product is working on your skin or not. So that's why it's okay, let me go ahead and do this update or review, whatever. Yeah, so first of all, before I go ahead, because somebody asked me, almost 2 people asked me which range did I buy, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here. Okay, they have like different range here. Like for me, I bought this range here, and this from Carrot. Okay, they have butter, they have like different types here. And it was a pack that I bought. I did not buy super pack because super pack here, you have a lot of things, that is included in the super pack, which I'm not even interested. Okay, that's why I go ahead and choose this one. But this pack that I bought here, there's some things that is here that I bought that day that is not included. But this one here is, let me show you guys. So if you buy something like this, okay, this cream, this gel and the moisturizer, as well as the face cream, and then this serum, so definitely you're going to get free cream from this pack I bought. But what I did is that I realized that they didn't have this Glycerin. Okay, I went ahead and bought it like separate, and as well as this body scrub. This is a different 2 products that I added in this pack. Coming to my experience, what I be experiencing, if this cream is worth, of you guys trying or going ahead to buy it. So first of all, what I have to say here is that, my sister, if you are the one that doesn't have patience, or you are looking for a quick action, you want to bleach your skin, my sister, this cream is not for you. I just want to put this out there. This cream is not for you. Oh, yes. So this cream is only going to moisturize your skin. It's going to make you to glow. It's going to make you to look natural. It's going to make your skin to shine. Yeah, that is my experience so far, guys. So I have seen many people have been complaining about this cream that is not working. Sister, what do you mean that is not working? Do you want quick action or you want bleaching cream? Which one is the cream is not working now? Okay, nevertheless, I know that we all have different skin, different skin type. Sometimes there's some product that work like so fast on some people, that some that are supposed to take time, So for me, just as I said that anything that you put on your skin and they see a result within 1 week or 2 weeks, my sister, you need to rethink. That product is not a good one. Anything that is quick action in your skin is not a good one. You are not supposed to put it on your skin. That's why I promise you guys that from 2 months to 3 months that I'm going to come out and tell you guys like my experience so far. This cream, it takes time for you to see the result, in the sense of whether it's going to darken your skin, or it's going to glow it, or it's going to brighten it, or it's going to tone it. Okay, this cream is everything. Like if you are looking for something to glow your skin, something to moisturize, something to shine your color, this cream is for you, because it's for every skin type. there's a lady I know very well. She's using this cream and she's in dark in color. Guys, if you see her skin, oh my god, you know when you say black is beauty, when you see her skin, you know that black is beauty indeed. It's glowing despite that she's in dark in complexion. For you to know that this cream is for all the skin type. Okay, what I did after after that video, which I told you guys that I'm going to mix, yeah, this is the cream, guys. So as you can see here, I have gone ahead like sorry guys. So as you can see guys, this cream I mixed the whole of it in here, and then I went ahead, this is serum, because according to them they said that half of this cream you have to use one serum for it. But what I did is that I put all the cream here and I use only one this serum, and as well as this crystalline. As you can see, I use half of it as well. Okay, and this, I don't know whether this is a face cream. If I'm going to buy this cream again, I don't think that I'm going to include this. I have not really know what this cream is all about. Is it for the face? Is it for the body? But I went ahead, and take some for my face. It's not that bad. But if I'm purchasing it next time, I don't think that I will purchase this one. And then, just as I told you guys that I'm going to do a research on this before I should go ahead and use it. Up to now, I have not used it. This cream is still intact. And why I did not use those two is that after I mixed this cream, this serum, and as well as this crystalline, it was super. It was good on my body. I said there's no need of mixing those two, which means if I'm buying again, I don't think I'm going to buy it like in pack or super pack. I'm going to select like what I need. Okay, despite that when you select, you are not going to receive any gift, because just as I said, the pack that I bought, they went ahead and they give me this for free. So if you are selecting like those ones that you want to select, for me, if I'm buying next time, definitely I'm going to buy this serum and this crystalline, as well as the cream, the main cream. The product that I love so much among all is this, guys. This body scrub. Smell is super beautiful. I love this. As you can see, I have gone ahead and finished it off, guys. This lasted like 2 months at least. I tried. I was using it like 3 times in a week, guys. This one I'm going, even if I'm buying next time, this I'm going to buy it like 2 pack. Yes, I'm going to buy it like 2 times because I love the smell. I love when I'm using it to scrub my skin. I love how I love how I feel after I finished using this. My husband went to the bathroom to have his bath. He said, wow, this body scrub, the smell is super. Like the smell is romantic. Yeah. If you ask me if I'm going to go ahead and continue using this cream, yes. I know that it's kind of in a higher, I don't know, for me it's kind of in a higher higher price. It's kind of expensive, not little expensive, it's kind of expensive. So what I will do is that after I finish using this, I'm going to have like some break and go back to my normal cream. Okay, when I gather money, when I gather money, I know that I have enough for this cream, then I'll go ahead and buy it again. So yeah. And what again, did I even forget anything? Yeah, so there is a soap, as in this soap, the body scrub soap. I have already finished using it as well, because I use this one like 3 times in a week, and then the men's soap I use it the rest of the day. If I'm buying now that soap, the body scrub, the crystalline serum, and the men's cream, that's what I'll be selecting next time. Yeah, this is all I have to say. Okay, it's a good cream if you want something to glow your skin, something to moisturize, something to shine your skin. This cream is for you. And please, you need to have patience. Don't just start using this cream and they're expecting to see some results within 1 week or 1 month. No, you will start seeing the result, I think, from 6 weeks, from 2 months, and so on and so forth. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. And if today is your first time here, please do me a favor to subscribe, like, and share. And for my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video again today. I do appreciate you all. Okay, so I will leave you guys here till in my next video, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.